Who doesn't like fried squid? Crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. I mean, everything tastes better when they're fried, right? Frying things with flour coating is usually messy, with the batter sticking around your fingers or the tongs. Today, I'm gonna share how I avoid all of that. Cut the squid into rings. Place them onto a plate. Add 1 teaspoon of white vinegar to discard the fishy smell. Two eggs into a bowl. Whisk it up. Add the squids into the eggs and mix well. In a separate container, add half cup of rice flour and another half cup of wheat flour. Add white pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. 1 teaspoon of each ingredient. Cover the container tightly and shake it up to mix all the ingredients. Put the squid into the flour mix, small batch at a time. Overcrowding the flour mix will result in an uneven flour coating. Shake it again. This way, you don't have to worry about the messy batter sticking around your fingers or tongs. See? Oil into the pan. Turn the heat on medium-high. Fry the coated squid once the oil is hot enough. Again, small batch at a time. Overcrowding the oil will drop the oil temperature drastically and risking the squid turning soggy. Let it fry until brown. And it's done. Let it rest for about 5 minutes. And it's ready to enjoy.